So today I'm going to teach you the exact framework you need to know to run your perfect AI lead generation agency, and you need to know to generate the leads that you want to grow your business, and you want to save your time to grow your business actually. Because the main struggle you face when you are growing your business is gonna save your time and to generate leads. See, if you're a business owner, maybe you are a doctor, maybe you are like real estate agents or owner or business owner, you need to know that you need to save time, and you need to grow your business. When you save your time and when you focus on growing your business, you can focus on the service you're delivering. Like if we the agency, like if we're gonna automate the process through AI, then we're gonna easily focus on our main business, the service that we want to provide. So that's why we're gonna automate the process through our AI lead generation agency. I'm gonna give you the step-by-step guide to know everything about AI lead generation agency. Actually, you can just start right now your AI lead generation agency, and uh, so I'm gonna break down. Here you can see I just made a PDF. It's not a PDF, it's a Miro board actually, and you can just right now you can know everything about why AI lead generation agency is essential in 2025. Because you need to know the AI is gonna automate the process. AI gonna take over your job. AI gonna help you in every part. The I will say the work they're gonna take hours of time, gonna automate by the AI and can do it in just a few minutes or few seconds. That's how powerful AI it is. So that's why if you want to know how you can generate leads through AI and how can you help business owners, let me tell you step by step. Let's dive into it. So AI lead generation is transforming industry and will make money millionaires in the coming years, and provides high value service that clients not only need but actively want before their competitor adopt them. The business, everything people wants to uh, compete and wants to beat the competition by establishing AI to their system. Because if you're gonna implement AI to your system, you're gonna be far from the apart from you'll be the black sheep in your business. So that's or like what I'm gonna say, and just explain you the 5-step process that you need to know right now to uh, launch your AI agency and to know more about it actually. So yeah, the traffic generation using platforms like Meta Ads, Facebook, Instagram to reach potential customers. See, if you don't have any lead generation right now, traffic. Okay, so let's say you don't have any traffic right now. You are you're just focusing on referrals. Let me tell you, referrals not gonna help you to grow your business actually. Yeah, it can, but it will not achieve you to the goal that you want to achieve. See, referrals, I'm not saying it's bad or something like that. Referrals are good, but if you you have an system, or I will say a gun. Okay, a gun. Let's say a gun. That from that you're gonna shoot. Okay, you're gonna shoot from that gun. If you don't have any leads to point out and you don't have any bullets, then how you gonna nurture that, and how you gonna transfer that leads into clients if you don't have any source of traffic? You need to have a traffic to generate leads actually. So that's what I'm trying to say. Please start doing traffic generation. Use platforms like Meta Ads, Instagram, Google Ads, anything to generate your leads actually. And from that, the lead generation, turning traffic into leads using tools like lead forms or lead magnets. It can be anything. Like people use lead forms from Facebook, to do the traffic like to do the traffic generation. Like people use I will say landing page also in Go High Level with Go High Level actually. People have a personal landing pages also. What's gonna happen if you're gonna use landing pages? Let me tell you again. I just had like described it earlier also, but let me explain you again also. Yeah. So to the traffic, you're gonna from after traffic, you want to direct to a landing page. Landing page. Okay. Okay. Oh, sorry for that. Yeah. And from that landing page, people gonna take their time, fill long forms, and they're gonna be a potential client. That's like, see, you can generate thousands of leads, but if you are not able to close thousands of leads. But if I can tell you, you can generate 1,000 leads, but 500 of them will be a potential good leads. That gonna achieve you to your goal. So that's gonna help you to achieve that success, achieve that goal. If you're just generating too much but you're not closing too much, what is their value? You need to ensure CRM integration, like managing and tracking leads efficiently with tools like Go High Level. Let me tell you what is Go High Level. Many people think like it's software that helps you automate the process. Yeah, it is. It is like help you to automate the process. Let me tell you how you can do that. Like what is present there. Let me say it contains everything you need to automate. Like I'm not saying everything it has. You need to use other software also to attach with that Go High Level. Like you need to use Upon Voice, Go High Level. Go High Level is software that supports everything. You can just integrate all of the softwares into one software that is called Go High Level. Like let's say you're using okay, you're using 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, sorry for that. 1 2 3 4 5 6 5 6, and you are redirected to a page that's Go High Level GHL, and that GHL you are gonna give it to the client, your personal client, because this is your job. You need to give all the things structure into a I will say system or gun. Like from all this source, you're gonna redirect to this Go High Level, and you're gonna give that gun to the client so they can shoot that gun, because it will be easy for them. See, let me tell you. Make the onboarding process as easy as possible for the client. Make sure they get easy onboarding process, like they don't feel any, I will say, problem. You just give you just need to give to them everything automated. Like how much you can automate, that much you need to give. Like if it is possible to automate everything with AI, give it to them, automate with AI, because still the clients don't understand how to use them. So that's why I'm gonna say every week, in a week, try to do 3 to 4 meeting with the client to show the process and to explain all the process, like a CRM. Okay, so you need to give the CRM to the customer, like client, to help the process to be smooth as as far as possible, or I will say as much as possible. Yeah, as much as possible, I will say. Yeah. So appointment setting, like after generating leads, after generating traffic, after generating the CRM Instagram through leads through CRM integration and to go high level automate process, you need to uh, do the AI appointment setting. How you can do that? Let me tell you. You need to use AI appointment booking process using AI systems like Point Voice for superior efficiency and conversion rates. So let me tell you, what is appointment appoint voice actually? Like Point Voice, it is the best tool you can say. I'm not saying just the best tool because many softwares are there, but this is like a software. Like you need to know more about it. Like if you want me to create a video how to use Point Voice, just comment right now. Something like help me to know more about it, or just give some more information on how to run AI Legends. Like this is enough. This is enough. But if you want to know more about Point Voice, like how we can integrate with the Point Voice with the Go High Level, I can help you because see, this is AI softwares, and it is too hard to use them also because anyone cannot use these softwares. They need to do course, they need to uh, learn tutorials, and they need to, I will say, do long hours of course. So that's how you're gonna pay, right? Like paid, right? If you are skilled and people want your service, and you had like spent hours of time, hours of money to learn that skill, then people gonna pay for that. That's how you can uh, move forward actually in your life. And that's like custom system, like this is all four, and that's gonna help you the custom system create tailored AI solution to address specific businesses in efficiency for long-term success. That's gonna help your client, that's gonna help your client business to grow. Because see, if you are a company, if you are a startup company, if you are a business owner, if you are agency owner, let me tell you, your agency will grow when your client business will grow. Let me tell you and write it down. mm, Agency grow. Okay. Client grow. Client grow. That's like, is like same, it's the same thing. If you are not gonna grow, then client will not grow. That's the same, like if the client grow, then you are gonna grow. So that's how it matters. You need to help your client as much as possible, try to automate their process and do the things. Okay, so tools and strategy highlighted. Let me give you like a brief demonstrate how to create a lead form campaign on Meta Ads, explaining budget, targeting, and setup. Detail the importance of CRM system. Like this is a system for automation and lead management. Explain how AI tools like point voice evaluation, appointment setting by providing faster, more effective engagement. Discussed other strategies like VSL, video sales led actually, funnels, straight sell landing pages, and lead magnet campaign for various industries. Like this is, I will say, the brief that I just explained you till now. I'm just giving everything like conclusion, you could say. That's how you're gonna grow your business with your client. Your client, like your business will grow when your client business will grow. I'm gonna say again and again, you need to know again and again. So yeah, scaling and long-term growth. Encourage agencies to focus on one niche or service. Try to focus on one niche and one service. Don't try to do, I'm gonna do that, I'm gonna do that, I'm gonna do that, I'm gonna do that, and I'm cooked. Don't do that, don't do that, don't ever do that. I'm gonna do that thing, I'm gonna do that, I'm gonna be cooked. That's not gonna help you. You need to focus on one niche, one service, initially to maintain profitable and scale effectively. Emphasize creating AI-driven systems that enhance efficiency and add long-term value, enabling agencies to achieve high exit multiples. So that's, and let me go to the final takeaway. AI tools are not just a trend, they are a powerful way to deliver high impact results to clients. revolutionizing how agencies operate. Let me tell you, you need to take the action, you need to move forward. And let me tell you, if you're a business owner and you want me to automate the process and or do all the lead generation thing, just contact me in we'll say Instagram or email. Just send me the requirements and send me the inquiries, like business inquiries in email. And that's like, if you want any help, I'm here to help you. Just send me a text on Instagram if you need any uh, clarification, so I can help you personally. Okay. And if you want me to do one-to-one meeting also, I'm gonna do for free. Like right now I'm gonna do for free when I'm gonna get time. And like you can book the meeting uh, for the business purpose, not for just suggestion purpose. If you want suggestion, just ask me on Instagram. We're gonna talk and let's see what I'm gonna do. But if you want your business to grow, contact me an email or just book a meeting right now. The link will be in description, or you can find in maybe you can find anywhere. I think in emails or no, in the channel description also you can find, or you just contact me in Instagram. I'm gonna help you personally. I'm gonna send you the link. I don't know where the meeting will be booked because I'm not here at the available time actually. It is not updated actually because it is for the last week and I forgot actually. So yeah, just contact me in Instagram if you want any business inquiries, and just contact me in email also if you have any business inquiries. That's all. I hope you're doing good. I hope you're rooting. I'm rooting for you actually. And happy hunting. Subscribe to my channel right now to know more about AI services and AI lead generation, AI appointment setting, AI voice agents, and everything about AI and lead generation and business growth tips, strategies, entrepreneurship, everything, skills about entrepreneurship. Actually, I'm gonna say a hybrid thing like entrepreneurship, and in entrepreneurship every business falls. So yeah, that's all. Happy hunting.